Which type of firm registration is considered to be the most easiest and most inexpensive? Well, you already guessed it. It's the sole proprietorship firm. In simple terms, you're the boss who takes all the vital decisions, whether it is in terms of day-to-day aspects of finances or accountability. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn about the step-by-step procedures involved in registering your business, overall turnaround time for these steps, and finally, the budget and documents you have to be prepared with. First of all, let us start by understanding whom is this form of business made for. This can be related to those entrepreneurs who have a simple plan of action with limited resources but are willing to be completely involved as a sole contributor. The total number of members in a sole proprietorship is 1. Now, decide the name of your company based on the product or service you offer. In order to check the availability of the name that you're planning for, please visit the government website link. The second step is opening a current bank account. But before you do that, make sure you complete these following steps. A good news for the sole proprietor is that there is no minimum capital requirement to register your business. About the documents that are required in order to file the registration, let us hear from our experts.
Sole trader name is just a name for you to carry business. Legally, you are entitled for it. So you are liable for whatever business you do. So wherever you want to register your sole proprietorship, your personal documents carry weightage. So your personal PAN number, your personal Aadhaar card, and your personal bank account, etc. are what are required for you to get your sole proprietorship registered under Shops and Establishment Act or a GST.
Coming to the turnaround times. If in case you have to do a GST registration, it takes around 24 to 48 hours. But as far as the shops and establishment registration is concerned, there's no finite time for it. Next would be opening a bank current account. Now that takes around a week, but then it again depends from bank to bank. Now that you have applied for this, you will be receiving a GST registration and a shops and establishment registration certificate from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Well, there could be some reasons for the registration to fail as well. Now it may be because of the mismatch of names or addresses or signatures on your PAN card or Aadhaar card. So make sure that your details are in sync with all the documents that you have. Coming to the key features of the sole proprietorship firm, well, you will be the single owner of the firm who takes all the decisions and who can start the business at a very low cost of formation and compliance as well. So if you are a person who is looking for additional funding on a future date or have plans of sharing a responsibility with other partners, maybe sole proprietorship business is not the one. You would have to look for options like private limited company, limited liability partnerships, and partnership firms. So in a nutshell, sole proprietorship is the one which is very easy to start and gives you ultimate control on your business. So if you plan to start one, make sure your documents are in place and you take the help of a certified authority or personnel who can help you to get this done. We are Nationz Network and we provide you with practical walkthrough on various services. Tag along your friends and family who you think will benefit out of this video. So, plan ahead to stay ahead. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Please do like, share, and comment on our videos or post your queries if you would like to know more. Please do follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to view more interesting content like this one.